In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to return a not-implemented error message from Spring Boot. So I'm continuing along with creating my student API, and I responded with my lists in the last video. This video I'm going to handle post, delete, and put, but simply by saying I can't add just yet. There's several ways to do this. I like this one. This is nice and easy. I'm going to set up my request map like I did. If I can type. I'll start with post. Doesn't matter. They're all end up being the same initially. And I could use response entity. I'm going to use another one of the cool Spring Boot tools, which is response status. Not sure why this isn't dropping. Then we go to reason. And now we'll put in the public. This one's simpler. I'm simply going to return a string for right now. I bet you I need to import this. Yep. And all this guy has to do is return. So run this over in Postman. Switches to post. And it's going to get my message. This is my message from here. So this return really isn't handled. When you use the response status, it basically ignores the method that follows it. I'll do the same thing for put and deletes. So these aren't hard. Eventually, you have to respond to these, especially if you're going to have an interactive API that allows people to post to it. But for now, I just put the placeholders in and said, yep, I can't do it. And I'll check that in Postman. Minutes and deletes. Awesome. So now you know how to implement methods that aren't ready yet for prime time. Good luck.